Today I am going to uncover my journey in electronics. The journey started in 2019 when I was in 6th grade. I learned from free resources like YouTube and Google. There was no AI. I learned a lot of things about electronics and built a lot of cool projects in electronics. This is my handwritten diary. I wrote every circuit that I built and every project that I designed in that diary. More than 32 projects and a lot of learning. The first circuit drawn on my diary is a Joule Thief circuit that can boost a 1.5 volt to glow an LED bulb easily. It is made using a 13003 NPN transistor. Here you can see the diagram of my short circuit protection device that I made using a simple relay that can protect my expensive electronics. Now moving on, some cool projects I made using microcontrollers like ESP32, Raspberry Pi Pico and Arduino. This is one of them. I made this using Raspberry Pi Pico. I turned a box into a macro keyboard using Raspberry Pi Pico and CircuitPython. It can manipulate any keys. It can be programmed and can manipulate any keys of keyboard. So I also built some projects using Node MCU and ESP32, some Wi-Fi related and automation related projects and IoT related projects using ESP32. Sometimes I tried to build something but I failed, but I don't quit and tried again and again and resulted in success. For example, I tried to build a wireless tester using 13003 transistor but I failed. Then I tried again and again with other transistors and I succeeded to make it using BC547 NPN transistors. I also learned a lot of things and built some cool projects with ICs like 555 timer IC. I built a 3 volt to 35 volt booster circuit using 555 timer IC and also built some other cool projects using 555 IC and learned a lot of things about ICs and their functionality. Built a square form wave generator using 555 IC and related projects using 555 IC. One of my cool projects was building a Li-Fi project that can transfer audio using light signals and a receiver receives it and plays that audio. Moving towards sensors and logic, I built projects using sensors like fire alarm system and also build systems using sensors like motion sensors and other sensors. I also tried to create a home automation system with simple transistors, relays and 555 IC and succeeded in it. As you can see, it looks messy but it works. Used a old keypad mobile circuit in it for home automation and completed this project. Used circuit from an old RC toy and created a system that can control heavy machines and heavy electronics using relays and that RC circuit. Tried to build an induction heater using simple MOSFETs and I succeeded in it. As you can see, I posted some of my projects on YouTube in 2021 and you can see my projects on YouTube. That was my hobby, and today, as we know, we have no time for our hobbies. I learned electronics by building things, by making projects and by practical learning. That was my journey. The projects I uncovered are only 40% of what I built. Most of my projects are now lost or buried under a lot of dust and I was not able to show them to you. This was part 1 of my journey. Stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.